Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Cool Guy 209 here, Vision, or whatever you want to call me. And today we're doing another reaction video, and this time it's gonna be to Dimash Qudaibergenov versus Kristina Orbakaite. Listen, I'm sorry if I didn't say it right. I apologize. Blizzard again. I'm excited for this. You guys have recommended this, and I'm like, yo, excuse me. I have to do this. I literally have to, because it's anything Dimash, man. I just gotta go. I gotta go do it, man. He's always been incredible. He has an incredible voice. He's absolutely incredible at what he does, man. He knows how to perform. He knows how to give out that passion, and it makes you believe everything he's saying. Man, I love it. Now, with that being said, I just want to get to this. Please, por favor, please. Let's get to this. Let's go.
За тобой не закрывая дверь, я живу уже который год. И с тех пор отсчет моих нечаянных потерь остановленный кого-то ждет опять. И мается былое в темноте.
Oh my gosh.
Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день. Меня не ведай, прости.
Oh, man.
На пороге долго не томи. И теперь у нашей повторившейся любви сроком давности вся жизнь.
What a pair, man.
Опять метель. Былое в темноте. Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Oh my. Oh my! Yo, come on. Holy moly, y'all. They are both extraordinary. Jeez, man. She, what's her name? Kristina. she has a presence, man. When she is singing, she is like, dude, she's not scared to be known there. Like, she's not scared to be, like, there. Like, and I'm not explaining it. Like, she's not afraid to let you know that I'm singing right now, man. Like, she's, like, loud and very present, and I love it, man. I love the way she sings. Very for real, you know? It's very, like, serious and very strong in the way that she sings. I love that. And Dimash is very heavenly, passionate. They both combine so well, man. That was perfection. Such beautiful voices together. Wow. Absolutely out of this world. Sheesh. I love this so much. Now, hey, with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.